Okay, next one up for me is this custom Triumph. This is got a celebrity in the house, should I say. This is in for one of our full Monty valets. Not done this in some time, and you can tell she is minging. Look at all these spokes, thick corrosion. Get all these shocks sorted out. This is he wants it all minted up, obviously, for the bike shed tomorrow. So we got our work cut out for us with this. Little polishing, a little corrosion protection, get these exhausts polished up. I will do a single stage polish on this paintwork and these side covers. Get it looking like it should for the summer ahead. Watch this space. There you go, this down and out custom Triumph has now been fully trotted and ready for the summer ahead. Look at this, absolutely gleaming RV Rides bikes. Your bike is ready for collection. Just did a single stage polish on that lovely paintwork. XCP'd all the motor, all the spokes have been meticulously cleaned, chains all been serviced, all the shocks. Managed to get all that little corrosion off of there, all been XCP'd, all your rear calipers all tidied up, polished up these exhausts. Look at that, absolutely gleaming. Get yours booked in, and now we're open 6 days a week. Satisfaction always guaranteed. 07966 249 963.